Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you guys this trading website where you trade your Bitcoin and Ethereum effectively, guys. So the name of this trading website is by name ByTrading. So this is the account creation phase of this trading website. Once you are here, you just have to input your email right here. You click on this timer right here. You enter the code sent to you in the email you inputted right here. You enter your password. You enter my referral code right here, which I will provide in the description box of this video, and you click on sign up and your account will be created successfully, guys. The link to this website will be as well provided in the description box of this video, so you just have to click on the link right there and you sign up an account for yourself, guys. So I will just log in my own personal account right now and show you guys how this ByTrading website works, guys. And remember, I am not a professional financial advisor. I'm doing this video basically for educational purpose. So do well to make your personal research before going to any personal investment, guys. So I'm going to log in my own personal account right now and show you guys how this ByTrading website works, guys. So guys, welcome to the home page of this ByTrading website. So on the home page right here, you can explore the home page, the invites, the news, and the mine. So clicking on the mine right here, you can see my available balance, the top up, the withdraw, and all of that, guys. So for you to start trading right here, you need to top up your preferred amount for you to start trading. So to top up, you just have to click where it says top up right here. So clicking on top up, you choose the top up network, chain type, and the network. You choose the amount respectively and you click on top up. So clicking on top up, they will provide you with the respective wallet address. You just copy and make your top up effectively, guys. Once you are done with that, just click on where it says confirm, and once you click on confirm, the top up was effective, guys. After the top up mode has been successful, you see your available balance right here. The amount of USDT you have deposited will be shown right here effectively, guys. So coming back to the home page, basically I'm going to show you guys how to trade BTC and Ethereum right here on this website. So here on the calculator right here, you can calculate your top up amount, the amount you trade, and all of that. So on this, it depends on your top up amount. So once you top up like 100 USDT, you click on this, you enter the amount right here. Doing that, it will estimate your trade amount which you'll be able to trade right here. So you just have to copy it right here and paste on the trade page, and you can be able to trade effectively, guys. So right here, how can you go about it? Doing that, you just click where it says BTC. So clicking on BTC right here, you're going to be taken to the trade page. Basically how it works, they will provide you with there's a Telegram group which is this website provide for you. They will guide you how you trade and all of that. So basically, let me just go to the Telegram and show you how it works, guys. So you can see here, you have the Ethereum trade Telegram group and the BTC trade Telegram group. So basically here they guide you on your trade, how you gonna trade. So how are you going to go about that? So here you can see the trade goes for 1 minute. They will show you the current period ID, the trade you're gonna choose, and all of that. So you make sure you work with the time. It is very important. So as for the trade, for this one, it says you choose green, and the period ID, which is 1250, and all of that. So you have to come back to the website right here. You can see as for now the trade time is done, but once you want to trade, you just have to choose the trade minute, which is 1 minute. You select the type which has been shown to you on the Telegram channel right there. Depending on the one that you sent to you, if it's even, you choose even. If it's odd, you choose odd. You enter the amount right here and you click on where it says trade, and your trade will be effective. That is how the trade works. It's so simple and straightforward. Anytime the trade time is due, you check this period number. You need to take note of that. This ending number 1249. You need to take note of that. If you come back to the to the Telegram right here. You can see the trade, the period ID 1251. You need to take note of that because it's very important. And once you do that, all the results will be shown here on this Telegram channel as well, guys. So the trading website is so simple and effective. All you need to do, just follow the respective trading rules and you trade your USD, you trade your BTC and Ethereum effectively, guys. Next, you're gonna click on where it says invite. On the invite right here, you just have to copy your referral link and share it to your family and friends so they can join for the and use this ByTrading website to trade their assets effectively. As clicking on the news right here, you can check out all the news about the ByTrading website. On the mine right here, you can see your available balance and all of that. So after you must have trade successfully and you want to withdraw your earnings, you come here, it says withdraw. So to withdraw, if you need to bind your USDT address for you to be able to withdraw. So clicking on the bind right here, you just have to click add bind by cryptocurrency. You enter your USDT address, you click on this timer right here. They will send you a verification code in your email. You enter it right here and you click on confirm for you to bind your address successfully, guys. So let me just go to my wallet address and copy my personal USDT TRC20 address. You can see it right here. Coming right here, we just have to copy the address right there. So doing that, I'll go back to the website. So I'll paste my USDT TRC20 address right there. Then I will click on this timer right here for an invitation for a code to be sent to me on my email so that I can just enter it here and click on confirm to bound my USDT TRC20 address successfully, guys. So when that is done, just click on confirm and the wallet bounding will be successful, guys. So to withdraw, you just have to click on withdraw and you withdraw your earnings successfully, guys. So that is how it works. So simple and straightforward. You need to pay good attention to the Telegram group which I just showed to you guys, because they will guide you right there how you're gonna trade your BTC and Ethereum here on this website. So guys, thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoy the content of this video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest content, guys. Thank you all guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Remember, I am not a professional financial advisor. All this video is for educational purpose. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.